From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 48 of NECO 2025 is on plane geometry, specifically on triangle. It says calculate the value of y in this diagram. So this is y. These two mark implies that this angle and this angle are equal. So base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if this is y, this definitely have to be y. And so you know that the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So angle ABD equal to angle BAC plus angle BCA. Opposite angle of a triangle equals sum of the two opposite interior angles. So 144 degrees have to equal y plus y. And so 144 equals 2y divided by 2, so that we'll get y to be 72 degrees, which is B. Thank you for watching.